Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll a little and tap on display and brightness. Now let's scroll down again in order to find auto screen off. Let's tap, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. And right now we've got 30 seconds applied because this option is marked, but in order to change it, simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes, for example, and as you can see, we do not have to enter this option again in order to check, because it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.